Uh-oh, we're getting our Vanna White on. So we pulled up Kickstarter, and so we're gonna just show you how, like, I'm gonna literally take an order for myself through one of my other email addresses. You wanna pull it up closer, and then I can kind of do it from the side. We're like trying to figure out the best way to do this. So if you don't do a direct link, you can just go to Kickstarter and search Poppy Row. And you can see me, the creator, Poppy Row, and then also the actual program. Yay. So if you're on an iPad, this is what you see. And you can play the video if you haven't already. I think it's pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. And you can scroll down here at the top. You can just back the project if you already know what you want. You will scroll down and it's pretty similar. It's a little different on like your mobile phone, but on the right it has all the pledge levels. You can also make a pledge without a reward if you just want to support us. If you're like a Poppy Bro or something. Or a Poppy Row. Or a Poppy Row. Or a Puppy Row. Puppy Row. Puppy Row, yeah. Your puppy can donate if they have a credit card. So this just goes through everything here, and then you can actually see all the pieces on here. Like the bestie, present top, a lot of what we actually were just showing on our Facebook Live. Yeah. And then you can also see the 2-piece jumpsuit. Unfortunately, there's no way we could, like, you can click on it and purchase here. So what you need to do is go to the top of the page, and where it says back this project, or this other button that says back this project. So you click that, and I actually signed out, so it's not giving you like my dashboard of like percentages and like all that fun stuff. So I'm just gonna order, I'm like, what do I wanna do? I actually didn't decide before this. I wanna order everything, but like I'll do what I think probably more people would do. So our most popular is the 2-piece jumpsuit. So I'm gonna click on that. So you can see here that it says $129. However, the bestie is an additional, you can see it here, $48. So say I wanted the bestie to kind of swap out with this and add it to it. All I need to do is do 128 plus 49. So what is that, 177? So I'll put that in, 177. It's really helpful having is that if you're outside of the US, you can change the shipping, and that will like actually be calculated into your pledge amount. If you have any questions about this, you can of course email us at hello@poppyrow.com. And then once you put in that amount, you can just continue, and you can continue as guest, or you can log in. I'm going to continue as guest so they don't recognize me. So again, if you don't remember, you can email us at hello@poppyrow.com. We'll see if this will work. Okay, great. And so basically all you do is put in your card holder information. So I'm pulling out my credit card from my secret pocket in my swipe shirt. And surprisingly, I normally memorize my cards, but this one is not memorized. I feel like the time pressure on TV. Okay, I totally put it in wrong. You want me to hold it again? No, I think I've got it. Oh, it missed a 0. I actually know how to type, but it's just the iPad. It shouldn't take this long if you're actually getting the numbers correct. Then I'm putting in my name. Which my iPad always wants to correct my name to Creole or something. It's like weird. Really? It's there's like they take out the T. Word, so. Exactly, it doesn't make sense. Putting in the expiration date and my security code, which I'm just double checking. I'm like, let's slip it back into that secret pocket. Like people that like steal my credit card information. And buy all Poppy Row on it. Yeah, please don't. Would you debate the charge? That's the right. I know. I'm like, okay, so if you want to hold this, and then I'm just going to cover all this information, but you'll see, you can scroll down. Let's focus this on here. I hope it didn't show anything. It didn't, did it? I don't think so. And then you can remember this card for future pledges if you want, and then pledge. Just click it. Not now. And then it will say, thank you, I pledged $177, and I'm backer number 115. It says what the reward is. I accidentally put in a card wrong once, and it will like end up notifying you. So as long as it says what backer number you are, you're all good.
Cool.
So that's how you can add multiple pieces and order through
How
this.
do they know, like, if they entered 177? Like, how?
That's a great question. Okay, let me put the light on. Well, actually,
Okay.
our lighting's okay. So basically what happens is after we are funded on March 1st at noon, you know, Kickstarter will then charge everybody's credit cards. And what happens is we use a system that will send a survey out to everyone, and then we'll ask you, like, okay, what do you want to actually purchase with your pledge? Because things are already built in, it will already know, like, I believe that I got the 2-piece jumpsuit, but
Okay.
I pledged more. So what are you using with this additional credit? And so I'll be able to just put in, like, the bestie. And if
Okay.
for whatever reason you did the math wrong, you can just add more. Or if you end up wanting to shop for more stuff, you'll be able to add that
Okay.
on the back end as well. So anybody who pledges gets extra special
Got it.
treatment
So after March 1st, we will expect an email from you.
within 2 weeks of
Okay.
closing.
Asking to finalize the order or
Yes.
confirm the order.
Yeah, that's
Perfect.
a really good
Okay.
question. Thank you for asking that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
just
if
want to
you-
get my stuff.
I know, I do too.
Right?
Maybe I'll hand deliver it on my birthday weekend
Yeah,
or
that'd
something.
be
That would
fun.
be really
That'd be
great.
fun.
That would be really fun. So we have 8 days left. We close on March 1st at noon. So if you do have any questions on how to order after watching this video, you can also reach out or tag us in the comments below. I'm happy to answer and help you guys out. And you really can customize it any way you want. So if you did want 2 swipe skirts, you can put that amount in. You can really just make it your own. But seriously, if you have any confusion, just message me. And you can also email us hello@poppyrow.com. All right, well, hello, goodbye.